Okay, so here we are again, and this continues on how to cook on a Santa Maria, and everything I've been doing for you has been live fire cooking, asado, meats, Argentinian style, a little bit of a twist of what I do. And today we're gonna go a little different. We're gonna do seafood. So I'm gonna light up the grill, I'm gonna show you how we do it. Follow along, I'm gonna get a nice coal bed going. I got 2 whole branzinos. I think I'm gonna do them in my iron cross. I have some octopus that I've already gotten ready and marinated. I cooked it yesterday till tender. I'm gonna grill it off. I'm actually marinated in some of my chimichurri, believe it or not, because I thought it would go fantastic together. I'm gonna do a cast iron skillet with mussels and clarified butter and lemon. What else do we have here? Oh, I have a lobster. I got a 2.5 pound Maine lobster, and I'm gonna split it, and I'm gonna do lemon with a garlic butter sauce on that. It's gonna be fantastic. 2.5 pound Maine lobster here. All right, so we're gonna, I'm gonna show you a little trick. Okay, first of all, we come right in the head. We come right here. All right, I'm gonna split it in half, but we're not going all the way through. All right, that's that. That's that, that's all we're doing. Then, I'm gonna take this rag, I'm gonna show you a little trick here. And see, I put a white cutting board down just because it's gonna be a little messy. Use the back of your chef knife and come in and you come here and you crack. Not too hard, you don't want to knock them off, right? Because you got to cook these things. So we're just coming here and we're cracking them. Same on this side. And the reason you put this towel over it is you don't splash yourself. All right, so. All right, come here. And now I'm going to do on this side of it. That's all we're doing. We're giving it a little bit of a, then we're gonna come in here upside down. We're gonna go upside down with this guy. We're gonna take one of these charred lemon. We're gonna do the charred lemon inside, okay? I want that nice lemon. I got some garlic, we're gonna do the garlic. I'm gonna clean up my little bit of a mess here, and I'm gonna bleach my board between cuts. Don't you kid yourself. All right, so I'm gonna come over here. Now, a little bit different. We talk about owning the fire, right? So I got fire underneath my fish. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a kick here. And I'm gonna go right under my lobster because I actually want a little bit more heat now. All right, so we're gonna go right here. We're gonna come under the lobster. Now, I am gonna get some peppers, hot peppers, and garlic and butter, and I'm gonna do a baste with lemon, garlic, and hot peppers. I'm gonna cook this in a little cast iron on here over the fire, and it's gonna be delicious. You're gonna love it. All right, so that's where we're at. We're gonna add a little bit more wood. We own the fire over here. My coals are getting a little low, so I'm gonna go with oak. Oak burns faster than cherry. I wish I was in Texas, I'd be using post oak. Post oak for the smoker though. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do. And that's how we're gonna do it. So we got our lobster going, we got our fish going, and now we're gonna do a little octopus. Again, live fire seafood feast. If you want to call it an asado, call it an asado. I call it an asado because I got my friends and my family here, and I love my friends and family. We're going to drop this down just a little bit. We don't want that butter to go. My ground is a little uneven here, but that's good. Okay, this cast iron, I just want to wipe it out. We're going to use this. And we got the fire going and we're gonna go from there. We're doing the octopus right now. I'm gonna do the octopus on my char grill. And what I'm gonna do, this thing is ripping hot. It's gonna go really fast. This octopus is it's already cooked, right? So I'm gonna come on here and all I'm looking to do is just a little bit of color. I'm not looking for a lot right now. I'm just looking to give it a little crispy. I got the charred lemon I've already put on here. It's already been marinated, it's already been cooked. I cooked it last night. I did a nice court bouillon, white wine, bay leaf, lemon, garlic, onion, red pepper, and you know, let it go till it was nice and tender. Here we go. Now that piece is already done. That's how fast this is, right? We just want a little color. I'm gonna pull this piece and I'm gonna pull this piece because that already gave me the char I want. This piece needs another little second. We're gonna bring it back here. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Okay, this right here, this little pot, this pot is so cool. My mom actually gave me this. I told her I wanted some cast iron. She found this little guy for me. So inside here, we got garlic butter for the lobster. Yeah, garlic butter with some peppers out of my garden. Ah, so good. All right, that fish is going. We're gonna have a little bit of octopus. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. All right, so here's the octopus. Okay, here we are. So now we're gonna talk about the star of the show. Now, what you're not gonna see on the camera is me cleaning these up. So, but these are beautiful Branzinos. I actually cleaned them up last night. They're about 2-pounders. Cut the gills off, the eyes were nice and clear, they were beautiful, right? So I packed them on ice. It's a little bit of a trick here. I dried them off, I put them in a bag, and then I got another bag of ice inside there, okay? So when you're doing fish like that, it really helps you out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some lemons, some beautiful lemons, okay, and I'm gonna stuff them in the cavity here. I'm gonna take 3 of them, all right? And then I'm gonna take some tarragon. And take some beautiful tarragon, stick it inside there. Tarragon, lemon, and fish just work. I'm gonna stick one of these underneath the rod, and then we're gonna stick one under the rod. Might have to get a little funky with this. Now, honestly, I've never done fish on my iron cross, believe it or not. So this is a first for me. I'm gonna stick that tarragon in there, and we're gonna stick these lemons in here. Okay, and we're gonna do 2 more lemons on the outside. Okay, now, I'm gonna come down on one of the lower racks because I kind of want to pinch this in. Now, I don't want to squish the fish too much here, but I do want to make sure that it holds. Okay, so that's that. So here we go. Now let's see. Yes, beautiful. Do you see that? Look at that, it's gorgeous. So we're gonna come in here. What'd I tell you? Don't touch anything in here without a rag. And here I am. So we're gonna come up here. We're gonna go right there. So now, with the Magic TV, what we're gonna do now, the only thing that was on this tray here was my bread, my lemon, my herbs. So there's no cross-contamination here, but you know what's gonna go on here? Well, we're not gonna toss those. Now I'm gonna say these things are probably ready. Okay, so here we go. Look at these mussels. Look at the color on these. Now this is a 2-rag job right here. So what we're gonna do is we always have extra rags down here when you're working with live fire. All right. I'm gonna finish it with a little touch of the salt. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish it with a little bit of this butter. This butter is like liquid gold here. All right. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're gonna pull the lobster. So I got a nice little platter here. Look at this. Oh, I lost a claw. Let's get this claw back over here. All right, so this is what we're looking for right here. The tail's pulled up. We got some roe. We got some. We're gonna come here with the charred lemon. What is going on over there? I think they're excited, okay? So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here with this hot garlic butter. Peppers out of my garden. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. If you could smell what's going on right now. Here we are, live fire cooking. This is why my wife gets out of me. See, this is one of her good towels. Love you, baby. All right, so Branzino. Check this guy out. We're gonna come over here. Look at this beautiful fish. You hear Cujo over there? That's my daughter's dog. Oh my God, this is gorgeous.